Hello friends, this is really exciting. I'm going to unbox my GoPro. So you can see it's looks very handy and really excited to open. So let's go. So you get this 12 megapixel and 4K videos. You can dip inside 10 meters and voice control. You have touch screen and you have GPS and hyper smooth live streaming, and you get 1 year of extra warranty in this. So this is the box. You can see I'm going to unbox now. So let's get started, friends. Inside the box you get camera, you have the mount, battery, and screw, and then to fix the camera, and then you get two flat mounts. One is flat mount and one is curve mount. So let's get open the complete box. So here is the camera, you can see the black one. And now I'm going to unmount it from the box, and I'm going to remove it. The box, I'll open the box, and then we can see the things which is given in this camera. There are standard things which has been given, the instruction how to fix it. So you get the flat mount, and then you get a cable, you get a curved mount, and then you have a battery. Now I'm going to put the battery inside. So let's open this camera mount, and yeah, it's a little hard to open, but it's good. So you will have the stable one, it gives stability. And then so you can just press the button down, you can open the camera, and then put the battery inside. So right now I don't have memory card, so I cannot show you the picture, but yeah, you can see the screen, and there is just a sticker, so you can just take it out the sticker. Thank you for friends for watching. See you in next video with picture and videos. Thank you.